Lewis Hamilton net worth and lifestyle. Lewis Hamilton, the name synonymous with speed, success, and style in the world of Formula One, has not only left an indelible mark on the racetrack, but also on the world of celebrity and entrepreneurship. With a career spanning over a decade at the forefront of motorsport, Hamilton has amassed not only an impressive trophy cabinet, but also a fortune that places him among the wealthiest athletes globally. Let's delve into the net worth and lifestyle of this iconic racing driver. Before we start the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel Luxury Trend, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Now, let's get started. How much is Hamilton worth? While there is no prize money on offer for winning individual Grand Prix races, F1 drivers are known to amass great wealth and make a fortune by virtue of their contracts with their respective constructor teams, making F1 one of the highest-paying sports in the world. Sure enough, the fact that a driver of Lewis Hamilton's caliber ranks among the wealthiest sports personalities in the world comes as no surprise. According to the latest report by Celebrity Net Worth, Lewis Hamilton, in 2024, enjoys an estimated net worth of a whopping $285 million. While a majority of his wealth comes from his contract with the England-based Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 team, his varied investments and sponsorships have widely contributed to boosting his overall net worth. How much will Ferrari pay Lewis Hamilton in 2025? The F1 world was shocked to learn of Hamilton's move to Ferrari, which was announced prior to this season. Officially, Hamilton will race out the remainder of his contract with Mercedes in 2024. But when he makes the switch to the historic Ferrari team, he'll be the winningest driver in F1 history. Reportedly will earn $100 million annually, with that including bonuses. Lewis Hamilton relationships. As far as rumored or confirmed relationships go, there have been many that were notable. Hamilton has been publicly linked to Nicki Minaj, Irina Shayk, Rihanna, Sophia Richie, Jody Ma, Nicole Scherzinger, and Winnie Harlow. According to Cosmo, Hamilton has also been linked to Danielle Lloyd, Veronica Vallo, Rita Ora, Barbara Palvin, and Kendall Jenner. Lewis Hamilton's real estate properties. According to several reports, the Briton is the proud owner of at least 4 luxurious homes, ranging from a penthouse to a mansion. Lewis Hamilton's primary residence is considered to be his apartment in Monte Carlo, Monaco. Like many F1 drivers, Hamilton too purchased a property in Monaco in 2010. Although not officially confirmed, it is largely believed that he resides in the exclusive Fontvieille district. If speculation is to be believed, the apartment in concern is a 4-bedroom duplex with a view of the Mediterranean Sea in Fontvieille's Seaside Plaza. The apartment is rumored to be spread over 2,000 square feet and, according to reports, cost Hamilton around $37.5 million back in the day. The British driver also has an affinity towards the United States of America, particularly the East Coast. To date, Lewis Hamilton has owned 2 properties in New York. In 2019, he spent a mammoth $40 million to acquire a penthouse in Manhattan, which is a part of a condo project partly owned by National Football League legend Tom Brady and his wife Gisele Bündchen. The property is spread around 6,540 square feet and houses a swimming pool, a fitness center, a squash court, a library, and a wine cellar. It also offers a magnificent view of the Hudson River. His neighbors here include Academy Award-winning actress Jennifer Lawrence. Notably, Lewis Hamilton also owned a penthouse in New York in the Tribeca building, which is home to several other celebrities including Justin Timberlake, Meg Ryan, Jake Gyllenhaal, and Bella Hadid. Even though he bought the 8,900 square foot penthouse in 2017 for a massive $43.9 million, Hamilton never lived in the house, which had 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and its own swimming pool. In December 2021, Lewis Hamilton reportedly sold his Tribeca building property for around $50 million. Despite owning multi-million-dollar properties across the globe, Lewis Hamilton found enough wealth and time to go back to his roots in England. In 2017, the Briton bought a unique 6-bedroom detached villa in West London from the chief designer of Burberry, Christopher Bailey, and his husband Simon Woods. The property, which has 4 stories and a garden spread over 200 feet, was built as early as 1860 by Samuel Johns. In addition, the house also has 4 reception rooms and 2 huge bathrooms. According to reports, Lewis Hamilton acquired the property for a sum of around $22.5 million. At present, the house's estimated worth stands at $25 million. Does Lewis Hamilton own a private jet? Being able to afford a private jet is not everyone's cup of tea. However, if you are one of the wealthiest sports personalities in the world, you easily afford that luxury. Such was the case with Lewis Hamilton, who bought a Bombardier Challenger 605 in 2013 for a sum of $25 million. The aircraft was capable of accommodating up to 10 passengers and 3 crew members. Keeping in tandem with his luxury lifestyle, Hamilton ensured he had the greatest comfort on board. To that effect, the aircraft was equipped with a bathroom, a fully functional kitchen, a king-sized bed, and high-speed Wi-Fi. The British driver used to travel to Grand Prix races on this aircraft. However, in 2019, Lewis Hamilton parted with the iconic red aircraft for a meager $8.9 million, as the Briton aimed to change his lifestyle to reduce his carbon footprint. A peek into Lewis Hamilton's garage, all the luxury cars he owns. Like several other motorsports drivers, Lewis Hamilton is known for being a motorhead. He has several exclusive cars in his garage, the most notable of which is a McLaren P1, which the F1 driver received exclusively from the manufacturer. The automobile is worth $1.2 million. Hamilton also owns a 1967 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, which he bought for around $1.3 million, and a 1966 Shelby Cobra 427, which he acquired for approximately $4.8 million. In addition, Lewis Hamilton has a Mercedes-AMG Project 1 car in his collection worth $2.4 million. The Briton also sports a couple of Ferrari LaFerraris and a Mini Cooper in his car collection, among other vehicles. Some of Lewis Hamilton's other investments. Besides being a multimillionaire, Lewis Hamilton has turned into an able entrepreneur over the course of his career. Time and again, he has ensured that his wealth is invested in meaningful ways. Of late, the F1 driver has bought a stake in the National Football League, NFL, team Denver Broncos. He is now a part owner of the Broncos and, according to rumors, has plans to increase his presence in several sporting leagues akin to the NFL. Additionally, Lewis Hamilton owns a meat-free burger startup called Neat Burger. Keeping in line with the Britons' vegan food habits, the joint specializes in vegan burgers. Hamilton also invested in a British drinks company called Green Drink alongside model Cindy Crawford. Furthermore, Lewis Hamilton, alongside American singer Justin Timberlake, has invested in a vertical farming application called Bowery. The British F1 driver has also invested in a grocery delivery application named ZApp and has taken to his social media accounts time and again to promote the brand. And that's a wrap for today's video, folks. We hope you enjoy getting an inside look into the world of Lewis Hamilton. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video interesting and subscribe to our channel Luxury Trend for more fascinating content. Until next time, drive safe and remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey.